Black holes are the most terrifying objects in the universe. Not because they destroy everything, but because they break the rules of reality. If you fell into one, you would be stretched into a long, thin strand of atoms. That process is called spaghettification. But here is the weird part. From the outside, you would never actually cross the event horizon. You would freeze in time, stuck forever on the edge. And both things would be true at the same time. This is the truth about black holes. And it gets worse. Let me start with secret number 1. What is a black hole? It is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The boundary around it is called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there is no turning back. But here is what most people don't know. The event horizon is not a physical wall. It is just a point of no return. You wouldn't feel anything when you cross it, but you would never be able to tell anyone what happened next. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse. A star at least 20 times the mass of our sun can explode as a supernova, leaving behind a core so dense that it creates a gravitational sinkhole. The gravity is so intense that it warps space and time. Time actually slows down near a black hole. And at the event horizon, time stops completely. For you, falling in, time would feel normal. But for the rest of the universe, you would freeze and never move again. Think about that. Your final moments would be stretched across eternity. Every scream, every thought, every heartbeat would be visible to the outside world forever, but you would already be gone. It is like a cosmic horror movie where the villain is gravity itself. Secret number 2. Spaghettification. This is not a joke. It is a real scientific term. When you fall into a black hole, the gravity at your feet is much stronger than the gravity at your head. The difference in gravitational pull stretches you apart. Imagine being pulled from both ends like a piece of taffy. Your body would elongate, your bones would snap, and eventually, you would become a stream of individual atoms. This happens for any object, not just humans. Even planets would be torn apart. But here is the terrifying part. The more massive the black hole, the weaker the spaghettification at the event horizon. For a supermassive black hole like the one at the center of our galaxy, you might cross the event horizon without feeling anything. You would be alive. Then, as you fall inward, the tidal forces would slowly pull you apart. You would have minutes or hours to think about your fate. Imagine knowing you are about to be torn apart atom by atom, but you cannot stop it. That is the horror of supermassive black holes. For a small stellar mass black hole, spaghettification happens before you even reach the event horizon. You would be ripped apart in microseconds. You wouldn't even have time to feel pain. But for a supermassive black hole, you could fall for hours, watching the outside universe age rapidly, knowing that everyone you ever knew is long dead while you are still falling. Secret number 3. Time dilation. This is where reality breaks. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time passes slower in strong gravity. Near a black hole, time slows down dramatically. From your perspective, you would fall straight in. But from the perspective of someone watching from far away, you would never cross the event horizon. Your image would get redder, dimmer, and then freeze. You would appear to hover at the edge forever. The outside observer would see you frozen in time for the rest of eternity. Which one is real? Both are real. Relativity says there is no absolute time. Time is relative. Inside the black hole, you experience falling. Outside, you appear frozen. Neither perspective is wrong. This is the mind-bending nature of black holes. Now, let me add something even stranger. This time dilation effect creates a paradox. If the outside observer watches you forever, but you eventually cross the event horizon and die, then the outside observer's timeline and your timeline do not match. This is called the black hole information paradox. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit radiation and eventually evaporate. But if a black hole evaporates, what happens to all the information about everything that fell in? Quantum mechanics says information cannot be destroyed, but general relativity says it is trapped forever. This is one of the biggest unsolved problems in physics. Secret number 4. What happens at the singularity? At the center of a black hole, all the mass is crushed into a point of infinite density. The laws of physics break down. Space and time cease to have meaning. Our equations cannot describe what happens there. Some physicists believe that the singularity is a point where our current understanding fails. Others think that the singularity might be an illusion and that black holes could be gateways to other universes. But we will never know, because nothing can escape from inside the event horizon. However, there is a glimmer of hope. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit radiation. This is called Hawking radiation. Over extremely long timescales, black holes can evaporate. But for a black hole the size of our sun, it would take 10 to the power of 67 years to evaporate. That is billions of times longer than the age of the universe. So, for all practical purposes, black holes are eternal. But here's the twist. Hawking radiation is so weak that it is almost undetectable. The temperature of a black hole is inversely proportional to its mass. A stellar mass black hole has a temperature of less than 1/1,000,000th of a degree above absolute zero. That means it absorbs more cosmic microwave background radiation than it emits. So black holes are actually growing, not shrinking. Only in the far future, when the universe cools down, will black holes start to evaporate. Secret number 5. The scariest fact of all. There is a supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It is called Sagittarius A star. It has a mass of about 4 million suns. We are orbiting it right now. Don't worry, we are too far away to be sucked in. But the black hole is there. And we cannot see it. We only know it exists because we can see stars orbiting around an invisible point. These stars travel at incredible speeds. One star, called S2, orbits at nearly 5,000 kilometers per second. That is faster than anything in our solar system. The black hole is not a threat to us. But it is a reminder that our galaxy has a dark heart. And someday, billions of years from now, when Andromeda collides with the Milky Way, the two supermassive black holes will merge, creating a gravitational wave that will ripple across the universe. Those gravitational waves were first detected in 2015 by LIGO. They proved that black hole mergers are real. We can now hear the echoes of cosmic collisions that happened billions of years ago. Let me leave you with one final thought. Some physicists, like Kip Thorne, believe that black holes could be used as portals for time travel. If you could orbit a black hole and then come back, you would have aged less than everyone else. This is not science fiction. It is real physics. But to do it, you would need to survive the radiation, the tidal forces, and the insane speeds. So for now, black holes remain the ultimate mystery. Black holes are terrifying, beautiful, and mysterious. They're the ultimate monsters of the cosmos. But they also teach us that reality is stranger than fiction. Time stops, space stretches, and nothing, not even light, can escape. Subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. If you want to learn more about black holes, check out my ebook 50 Science Facts That Will Break Your Brain. It is on my Ko-Fi page. And follow me on X at epyro21801 for daily science facts. Thanks for watching. ScienceSnack out.